YouTubers, you need to know what this sound is. You guys can hear it. It sounds like a starter. It's over in this corner. This is a Honda CRV 2000. Alright, people, hit me back if you know what it is.